Hey, Fat Guy Flies RC here. How y'all doing? Going to take up the Hobby King Tundra. I'm the only one here at the club. So starting back here behind the line is I'm safe because I'm the only one here. I know it may not be a good practice, but like I said, I'm the only one here. So, all right, gonna take up our Tundra. Got a little bit of a wind, a little bit of a breeze, not too bad. I tell you, I'm really enjoying this plane here. And just flies so nice and scale. I put the timber tires on there as a solution to my problem with the stock tires. And if this is the first time you've seen me fly this plane, the stock tires were fine. That was not the problem. The problem was the little plastic hubs that they use, that they give you to screw on to hold the wheels on. Problem I had with them was little hubs just came right off. They just unscrewed by themselves, and I didn't think I'd need Loctite on them because they were in nice and tight. Well, apparently I did, and lost the wheel, lost the hub. So I got some, now that was the design error, not my fault. So that was that. Next thing was my fault. I put the wheels back on, took the other hub off, just threw it away, and put two collars, those little metal collars with a grub screw on there. And I said, that didn't happen to me again. And I just caked that thing with Loctite or CA or whatever it was. And went on vacation, a little business trip, came back. Them wheels were solid. That glue, Loctite, had seeped down into the axle, and them suckers, they weren't coming off. I got to the field, I worked them and I worked them and I worked them. I finally got them moving, and wheels froze. And the tires themselves actually ripped off their little hub. So I'm like, I can't win for losing, but that was my mistake. So what I did was, since I ruined those wheels, so I got some timber wheels, cleaned off those little axles, put some metal collars on there, found a place where the grub screw would attach, took a filed it down into the threads, and just put it in that way. No Loctite needed. And these Tundra tires do just fine. They're almost the same size. There, see if I can't pull off a knife edge. A little bit of one. But these Tundra tires work just fine. And I tell you what, this plane will absolutely slow down for you. Will land great in the grass with them big wheels. I'm running a 2700 Hobby Star 3S center, and like it's a stock prop, so it's the carbon fiber prop that comes with it. And I will probably end up putting that 12x9, I think that's what it is, APC prop that everyone says to put on it. But the problem is, I got this stock prop and I paid for a spare one. So when those wear out, then maybe that's when I'll change. I just hate to not be able to use them, you know. They were designed for this plane, and right now I'm not having any issues. I mean, and both the props were nice and level and balanced really well. So yeah, I tell you what, I am enjoying this plane. Yeah, I think this is my 5th or 6th time flying her. Definitely windy. I mean, like, she's got an AR-620 antennaless receiver in her, so she's got no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type. Just what the laws of physics say she's supposed to do. And yeah, just a fun plane to fly. Just an absolute blast to fly. Very relaxing. And she's got enough get up and go to make her fun, as far as, you know, sport flying goes. So I don't know. I mean, I think she's doing just fine with the stock prop, but I will have to try that prop just to say I did. I wish she had lights, but you know what? The plane's $179. Okay, now I'm gonna try not to hit myself with my plane. That would not be good. But this is a good flying plane. You know, I say she doesn't need a gyro or a stabilization, but I've also been flying for a long time. So if you're a new person, new pilot, then that might be a benefit for you. All right, we've got 17 seconds. Take her around one more time. Try to do a great landing here. Fabulous landing. Well, I'll take that, by golly. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Durafly Tundra, sold by Hobby King. Motor off. Folks, 5 minutes and 2 seconds. I like this plane. I really like the plane. She goes together as well as any e-flite plane. Flies great. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all later, and God bless.